Before we get into this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to receive more receive more videos from me, and hit that notification bell to get notified when I create more videos. Welcome back to a new tutorial. So in this video, we'll be having a moderation commands. So first of all, you head over to your slash folder. You can have a subfolder called moderation, and the command in this video we'll be creating is a simple command, just a ban command. So I'm going to go ahead and create a ban command, and this will implement slash. So you want to implement everything you need. Yep. You also need the get options. So first of all, let's create our options. So options, so return a list of list of new command data. No, I mean new option data. And in here, we will do option type, and this will be the user who you want to run. The user who you want to ban. And you want to make it true where it's always required. So then after that, you'll also have a reason. You don't need to have this part, but it's good to have it. So reason dot string reason why you want to ban the user. And also keep that true. And you want to add another one, new option data. This will be an integer dot integer, and this is going to be message delete duration, amount of seconds for messages to delete. This can be false, so you can add a max value, set min value, we set required range. It can only be between 1 and 28 days. Amount of days messages to delete. So once you've done that, I can just close it off. So here build only. Yep. These are false. Okay, these are false. Use to ban a user. Just add simple one. Fine. So first of all, we want to get the user the option. So user to ban, so event get option user mapping get as user. So that we'll get the remember who's running the command. Remember command runner equals event dot get member, and you get the bot is also a member. Bot. So event dot get field, so get self member. But first of all, you want to check if the user to ban is null, just in case. If it is, you want to reply with event dot reply user to ban not be null, and you set that as an informal message. Basically, it means it only show for that to that user is running the command. Dot true, or not simply true dot q. And then you want to also check for permissions. Obviously, check if the command runner or the bot had the permissions to run the command. So if command runner uh uh what's it? Command runner can first thing check it can interact with user to ban. User to ban. That's if the user is not a member. If user to ban is not a member, want to just member. If member to ban. So event dot get option same user option nothing get as a member. So if the user to ban equals null, user to ban cannot be null, or member to ban equals null. Now, if the member to ban is not null, we want to check these certain permissions. If the user to ban, and if user to ban equals null, user to ban cannot be null, else we need to just do an else. If member to ban equals null, just reply to me. So now we check if, or actually, what's that? So can either ban a user. So if the user to ban equals null, then just run ban member to ban event and member else run ban user event and user to ban and leave the command runner command runner and bot. So just put semicolon and now create a new method. So if member to ban member to ban equals null, else event no reply user slash member slash member to ban is null, and then just answer that interval to dot q. For now, just create a method, public static void, actually it can be private static void run and member, and need all these parameters. Method there, and also this one, create this method. So need to now check permissions, check terms, check terms for command runner and bot. So this will be a similar method for both command runner. Private static void. Actually, just so if command runner now in order to check permissions, which has permission dot ban numbers. Now this if it has, but just put exclamation mark to say if it doesn't, then you want to do get also, or you also need the event. Put that there. Event. You're gonna do event dot reply. You cannot ban the user as you don't have the permissions. You don't have the required permissions. Required have the actually if you don't have the ban members. And you're gonna do the same thing for the check perm for the bot if bot has permission dot ban members to do event dot reply instead of you, I can't ban the user as I don't have the ban numbers perm from creation of I'm going to queue until turn see that. Actually don't need that. So now we've done that. Now we need to check if command runner dot can interact with member to ban. If it doesn't, and just send event or reply you cannot ban this user as they have more terms than you. And I'm going to do something similar to the bot.q return if I just copy that and set command set up member to ban bot. I cannot ban this user as they have more permissions than me. And then when I now just do trigger so ban, and you're gonna do in here you want to have the member to ban and member to event member to ban and command runner dot get user. Suppose you want to have some and then close that, and then you will create this method, and you want to do the same thing here. User to ban. Actually, no, the wrong one. This will be the user or member user to ban, and here will be member command runner. We'll just do this to get user and don't get this one. And now we're gonna do event dot get guild dot I want to do ban the member first. Dot ban. I'm gonna do the user to ban and the user to ban the user. You're gonna need the user snowflake dot from ID user to ban dot get ID, and also gonna need the duration time. So we've done that once, and just put that here. So duration int duration. What have we called it? We call it message delete duration, and we've done that in days. In terms of days, equals event dot get option message delete duration as integer option mapping get as integer there. We need to check it's simple, just in case. Equals no. Let's do integer. Check with no. Reply event dot reply. Actually, it can be no. If it's no, just do actually if event option equals no. Equals no. So just get rid of that. You got this, and you want checking and if equals no, and just change that to integer. Then just say message dot duration equals 0, and just put a semicolon there. And now we also need to check the bots no, because it's giving off an error. If bot equals no, event dot reply the bot that this command has to be run in that guild. This shouldn't happen because set this as true. So uh, actually, um, yeah, that should be fine. That should actually we don't need this. Just leave it as fine. So we're gonna need the method to delete duration in both. So add it in both. Add integer, integer, and then we're gonna leave it here. And figure van command command runner and get rid of that. We're gonna leave this one and do the same thing for here. And then add the parameter, add integer, refactor method to delete, and it's asked for the time unit, just say as days, time unit dot days. Now before we queue it, I'm gonna do a quick thing, add the reason, the reason, so reason, string, reason, yeah. So we're gonna also add that reason, reason, add string, string, reason, reason, yeah. So now that should work, and q q flat mark. C is 0 dot q. So if it's success, then reply event dot reply successfully find the user get add that user to find dot get as tag and just see this successfully and just put there and asterisk the command runner dot get user dot get tag successfully found the user and then dot q. The one error before you go, this cannot be capital case. So just message, you can just add underscore message underscore delete sort of duration. So whenever you're creating a name, it cannot be capital. So it's a good thing to bear. Fine. Alright, so you're gonna need to change this to option man user option the event that got option user, and then the user will just have a expression user option equals if it's null or options user, and same thing for member. So now if the bots run, the command should work. Run the command, but it can't ban the user because they have more perms than me, because it's got permissions than the bot. This bot currently has no permissions, so if we add the bot with permissions and get rid of this permission, it should work. Rerun the command. Yeah, as you can see, the bot has been successfully banned, and one thing before we go, we have an exclamation mark instead of a at. Where is this? I cannot ban the user. Here. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Have a great day. Peace out.